In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Google Sheets for clarity, scale, and collaboration. Good organization starts with structure, keeps analysis separate from raw data, and uses consistent naming so your spreadsheets stay maintainable and easy for teams to use. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Begin by making your data tidy. Keep raw information in a single, continuous table rather than scattering it across multiple blocks. If you have related records, add columns to categorize them instead of creating separate, unrelated tables in the same tab. Avoid blank rows or columns inside your dataset, because tools like filters, pivot tables, and array formulas depend on uninterrupted ranges. Keep headers only in the first row and place all data beneath them. Skip multi-level headers. A flat, clear header row makes sorting, filtering, and formulas much more reliable. Next, separate raw data from analysis. Create a dedicated source of truth tab, often called something like raw_data, where information is entered or imported. Lock this sheet for most users to prevent accidental edits. Then build your pivot tables, charts, summaries, and dashboards in separate analysis tabs that reference the source tab. This preserves data integrity while giving you the freedom to design reports and visuals. Make your formulas easier to read and maintain with named ranges. Instead of writing a reference like raw data C2, C1000, define a range with a descriptive name such as sales_data and use it directly in formulas. For example, equals sum, sales_data, is clearer at a glance and simpler to update. You can create names from the named ranges feature so everyone on the team understands what each reference means. Consistent naming and documentation go a long way. Label tabs descriptively, dashboard, Q1_sales_report, and lookup_tables are far better than generic names. Use clear file names that include the project, date, and version when needed, such as project A_KPI_dashboard_2024_01_01. Add comments to complex formulas or critical cells to explain logic and data sources. Consider adding a README or instructions tab that outlines the spreadsheet's purpose, expected inputs, and how to reach the owner through the established channel, without including personal details. Finally, enhance usability and collaboration. Use data validation to create drop-downs and enforce clean, consistent entries. Freeze header rows and key columns so labels stay visible while you scroll. Protect sheets and ranges to safeguard raw data and important formulas. And encourage teammates to use filter views, so they can sort and filter independently without changing what others see. Follow these practices, and your Google Sheets will be cleaner, safer, and ready to scale with your work. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.